Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice. In today's video, we'll be listening to a short story about going grocery shopping. So, let's start. Today, Emma wakes up early in the morning because she has to go grocery shopping. She is tired, but she gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom, where she takes a shower. Afterward, she puts on clean clothes. Then she heads to the kitchen to make herself some breakfast. Today, Emma is having a cup of coffee and 2 slices of toast. She eats her breakfast and drinks her coffee slowly, trying to wake up. After finishing her breakfast, she begins to write a shopping list. It includes milk, eggs, apples, carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, bread, rice, oats, and jam. At 9 a.m., Emma leaves the house and walks to the nearby grocery store. At the store, she grabs a shopping cart and begins shopping. First, she walks to the fruit and vegetable section, where she picks up 4 red apples, a bunch of fresh carrots, 5 tomatoes, and a small bag of potatoes. Next, she heads to the bread aisle and chooses 1 loaf of white bread. Then, she walks over to the dairy section and picks up a bottle of milk and a box of a dozen eggs. Then, she finds a bag of rice in the grains aisle, along with a box of oats. Finally, she goes to the condiment and spread section and selects a jar of strawberry jam. Now that Emma has found everything on her list, she heads to the cashier. The cashier greets her, saying, "Good morning." Emma replies, "Good morning," with a big smile. She places all the groceries on the counter. The cashier scans each item and says, "That will be $30.50. Emma pays with her card and says, "Thank you. Have a nice day." She puts the groceries in the shopping bags and leaves the store. Emma walks home, enjoying the fresh morning air. When she gets home, she puts all the food away in the kitchen. Milk and eggs in the fridge, bread and jam on the counter, and fruits, vegetables, oats, and rice in the pantry. Now that everything is put away, Emma is ready to cook lunch. Thank you for watching this short English listening practice. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English videos. See you next time.